Hi students, Mrs. Stauffer here reading a few chapters of our Read Aloud, Inside Out, and Back Again. Papaya tree. It grew from a seed I flicked into the back garden. A seed like a fisheye, slippery, shiny, black. The tree has grown twice as tall as I stand, on tippy toes. Brother Koi spotted the first white blossom, 4 years older. He can see higher. Brother Vu later found a baby papaya the size of a fist clinging to the trunk. At 18, he can see that much higher. Brother Kang is the oldest, 21 and studying engineering. Who knows what he will notice before me? I vow to rise first every morning to stare at the dew on the green fruit shaped like a light bulb. I will be the first to witness its ripening. Mid-February. Titi waves goodbye. My best friend Titi is crying hard, snotting the hem of her pink fluffy blouse. Her 2 brothers are also sniffling inside their car, packed to the roof with suitcases. Titi shoves into my hand a tin of flower seeds we gathered last fall. We hope to plant them together. She waves from the back window of the rabbit-shaped car. Her tears mix with long strands of hair, long hair I wish I had. I would still be standing there, crying and waving to nothing, if Brother Koi hadn't come to take my hand. They're heading to Vang Tu, he says, where the rich go to flee Vietnam on cruise ships. I'm glad we've become poor so we can stay. Early March. Missing in action. Father left home on a Navy mission on this day 9 years ago when I was almost 1. He was captured on Route 1, an hour south of the city, by moped. That's all we know. This day, Mother prepares an altar to chant for his return, offering fruit, incense, tuberoses, and gluttonous rice. She displays his portrait taken during Tet, the year he disappeared. How peaceful he looks, smiling, peacock tails at the corner of his eyes. Each of us bows and wishes and hopes and prays. Everything on the altar remains for the day, except the portrait. Mother locks it away as soon as her chant ends. She cannot bear to look into Father's forever young eyes. March 10th.